The OptiQ Offset Fixed projected series windows features a fixed top light above a recessed operable vent panel. When looking at the building industry current needs, we see a need for ultra-thermal performance products along with a need to close out buildings quickly. The Offset Fixed projected series window features a polyimide thermal break allowing for ultra-thermal performance all in a single continuous frame, allowing products to install quickly. The Offset Fixed projector has a foam line which breaks up the cold exterior environment from the warm interior, resulting in higher energy efficiency and less energy loss between the system, allowing for increased occupant comfort and lower energy usage. We also utilize triple fin gaskets. This enables us to maximize the capabilities of a high-performance 1-inch IGU within a system, giving us near triple glaze performance. The single frame design allows for ease of construction, ease of flexibility with the install. There's less parts and pieces for contractors to manage. It comes fully assembled and glazed from the factory, ready to be installed at the job site. To learn more about the OptiQ Offset Fixed Projector Series window, please visit our website, Kawneer.com.